Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. Today, guys, we are going to do not only a review, but we're going to do a quick install. I've got a jack on my trailer, this one here, that used to have a wheel that is broken. And you can see this is the way it would go around. I have to use a block to hold it up. I have been needing to change that out for quite some time. So we're going to unbolt that and change it. And we are going to put the new FZZD 8,000 pound heavy duty jack. Now this one's not going to rotate. It has a quick connect at the bottom. You pull the pin, it'll drop down, and you can actually put the pin back in and start cranking. But this is a heavy duty jack. You can use these on boats, utility trailers, box trailers. You can use it on RVs. You can use it on an awful lot of different things that need a jack. This jack has 5 levels of adjustment, and it will adjust from 4.7 inches all the way to 33.4 inches. So it's got a lot of range. This is zinc coated so that it should last a long time, especially if you're up north and there's a lot of salt and things like that, or if you're using this to back a trailer into salt type water. That is a good thing to have. Now this particular system can be welded or bolted, and I'm going to go ahead and bolt it on just because it's easier to take it off in the future, like this one, if something were to happen to it. So we're going to unbolt this one really quick, and we're going to go ahead and bolt the new one in, and then we're going to test it out and see how it works. Now, what I'm going to have to do first is I'm going to have to jack this up a little, put some blocks underneath it to hold it up, unbolt it, get it off, put the new one on, jack it up a little again, take the blocks out, and then we are good to go. Before we do that, though, let's take a quick look at what you get in the box. So if you open this up, it's pretty simple. It is basically going to have some instructions right here. Set that right there. And it's got some foam pieces that protect the jack itself. And the jack is already put together except for the crank, handle itself. It's got the crank arm right here. And by the way, guys, this is not a super light jack. It's a nice heavy duty jack. So it's going to crank here, though. You're going to put the handle on. It's going to be in this little container here with all the bolts to be able to bolt the plates on, and your plate sides are on the back side that are going to bolt into the plate. Now it also has a little grease fitting spot, so if it needs to be greased, you can grease it later to keep it going. Your pin is already installed, so you pull the pin out and drop the plate. Okay, guys, that's it. It's finished and it's done. Now, I will point out to you a couple of things that may help you. When you set that and set it up and you think you've got it to the max and you've got it up on blocks, go ahead and move it up, or I should say back 1 notch. So instead of being on 5, put it on 4. If you're on 3, put it on 2. That is going to help because you're up on blocks, and when you go to lower it down, it's going to have a stopping point here, and you're not going to be able to get low enough to get this tongue onto the ball. So be sure that you set that part right. It's not a big deal if you mess it up, because you just jack it back up, add another block, move this back up, and you're good to go. Because now I can crank it up where I need to, back up with the truck, hook it up, and when I get ready to actually take off, all you do is you pull the pin, and this just slides up inside, put the pin back in, and you're rocking and rolling down the road. So super, super simple. I'm going to tell you, it moved this trailer full of tools like it was nothing at all. I mean, it's extremely powerful, way more powerful than what I had. And it should last a very long time. So guys, if I was going to rate this on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd have to give it 5 stars because it does everything that it said it was going to do and so much more. It looks so much better in person than I expected. It's extremely heavy duty, extremely quiet, and extremely strong. So if you're looking for a good jack, take a good look at the FZZD. Look at the 8,000 pound jack. It's going to lift just about anything you got to deal with in most cases, and it's extremely easy to install. It also has a wide range. It has 5 levels where it can work from 4.7 inches off the ground all the way up to the 33.4. So I don't think you're going to go wrong with this one, guys. Do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one today, and we'll see you guys on the next review.